While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies pick up speed. The beginning of cryptographic forms of money denoted a pregressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of cryptographic forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Heavenly had their own advantage fad to advance. Before we dive into Ethereum Classic cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the novel highlights of Ethereum Classic. The diverse Ethereum Classic, etc., etc. blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money, the whole peculiarity and key focal point of this Ethereum Classic digital currency is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view as well as use etc. for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. As made sense of above, Ethereum Classic conjecture empowers designers to form and work on savvy contracts, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Going through the different transformative phases and development systems, Ethereum Classic Gauge has stayed with its arrangement to reliably overhaul the convention to guarantee further developed convenience, security, usefulness, and decentralization. Having the underpinning of ERC-20 gives Ethereum Classic expectation a further lift as the proprietors are allowed to oversee their cash with practically no mediators included. Simultaneously, repetitive expenses are wiped out, and exchange speed is trebled. Consequently, clients are their own lords of confirmation. Mechanical improvement has empowered Ethereum Classic Figure to be accessible on different gadgets that have just additionally increased its client base. Financial backers have the fulfillment of getting to their etc. tokens from any place whenever. This eventually makes the whole framework more dependable and proficient. The non-stop help presented by the backend group makes the Ethereum Classic expectation stage even more reliable. Financial backers are guaranteed of their security, and any malware is caught right away. Ethereum Classic, etc., the Constitution. Most Ethereum Classic tasks today depend on Ethereum Classic cost as a public blockchain, which awards admittance to a bigger crowd of clients, network hubs, money, and in general market. Nonetheless, there are much of the time motivations to favor a private blockchain or consortium blockchain, among a gathering of confided members. As a substitute for concentrated or semi-unified trust, public blockchains are gotten by crypto-financial matters, the mix of monetary motivations and cryptographic confirmation utilizing instruments, for example, proof of work or proof of stake. Following an overall rule that how much somebody can impact the agreement cycle is relative to the quantity of monetary assets that they can bring to bear. These two blockchains are by and large viewed as completely decentralized. Somewhat decentralized, a consortium blockchain is a blockchain where the agreement interaction is constrained by a pre-chosen set of hubs. For instance, one could envision a consortium of 15 monetary organizations, every one of which works a hub and of which 10 should sign each block for the block to be legitimate. According to cost examination and our own exploration, Ethereum Classic value expectation could address down towards $19, most extreme cost, toward the finish of this 1 year, despite the fact that in the momentary it might record a high of around $25, least cost. Ethereum Classic etc. value forecast is set to outperform the assumptions. By 2025, in the following 5 years, the Ethereum Classic value forecast will break the sign of $69.98, which is its most extreme cost in the main half. As per cost estimate and its specialized examination, the greatest cost in the main portion of Ethereum Classic etc. value expectation is set to scale to $128 following 5 years over the long haul. In view of wallet financial backer and our Ethereum Classic conjecture and cost examination, a drawn-out increment and most extreme cost is normal. The cost anticipation for Ethereum Classic, etc., future cost in 2027 is $230.652. Least cost. With a long-term wise venture guidance, the income is supposed to be around plus 691.56%. The etc/USD forecasts from that point forward have begun drifting towards hopefulness than negativity. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on long-haul forecast of etc. development, following it intently. Subsequently, the Ethereum Classic cost expectation for this entire year remains very reassuring, expressing that the future cost of Ethereum Classic value forecast could cross the $40 mark toward the finish of 2022. Allow us to check the information for Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2022 to 2026. Ethereum Classic value expectation 2022. As per Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2022, notwithstanding the new drawback value development of practically all of the crypto coins, there are regular schedule cost forecasts that etc. is ready for a rise throughout the following couple of weeks. Following the ongoing cost-moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the particular cost range, it is clear that the Ethereum Classic cost could keep on exchanging negatively according to the close to first half-term Ethereum Classic cost forecast 2022. However, it is too soon to anticipate regardless of whether etc. value development will improve. What stays clear is that there is reason to have some hope without a doubt toward 2022 in the momentary's end. It is anticipated to arrive at greatest level at $42. Ethereum Classic value expectation 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer-term cost bullish pattern and specialized examination, when contrasted with Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2022 has been diverging from its way ordinarily every several years. So proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2023 in the long haul may not be ideal for etc. cost for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of Ethereum Classic cost causing a misfortune or losing cash quickly yet just pitiful, exchanging around $45 and afterward hopping again up to $50, as indicated by Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2023. Nonetheless, this stays as a skeptical situation. Be more exact and involve complex instruments for a critical expansion in your benefit and wise venture. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, it will be truly useful for the future expectation 2023 at the ongoing cost. Ethereum Classic value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that etc. value expectation will lead the crypto business realm with the typical cost fixed presentation at $51. Which shows etc. Ethereum Classic cost gauge has the maximum capacity not exclusive